I'm back in the shop. I'm Glenn GuarinoFurnitureDesigns, and we're going to use this large joiner plane, which was belonged to a man named Olson, who was the father of neighbors of mine when I was growing up. And when they passed away, their relatives wanted me to have his tools. So I've had this for quite a while, and it's 22 inches long, and I've tuned it up, and we're going to use this to flatten out the rest of this tabletop. And right now, it's taking out a belly, it's getting more here, a little more here. And as you can see, as it gets flatter, we get more of a cut. Well, after a while, I'll have this fairly flat, and then I'm going to switch to even a longer joiner plane. This one's highly decorated. It was made in Sweden, and I have the blade set at a little lighter cut.